In this video, I'm going to show you how to use filters in GoHighLevel. After successfully accessing your GoHighLevel dashboard, in the menu navigation on the left sidebar of the screen, simply navigate to Opportunities. This will then direct you to the list of opportunities that you have recorded in different status and different categories inside your GoHighLevel business. In here, you can see advanced filters. When you go to advanced filters, this will allow you to locate opportunities in a more easy way, as you can provide more specific details and information regarding the opportunity that you are looking for. So you simply click advanced filters in here, and you can add filters for the opportunity that you are looking for. So you can add owner, followers, status, opportunity source, campaign type, last stage, change date, last status change date, opportunity value, date of creation, updated on, opportunity won on, and opportunity lost on. So you can use these filters to navigate or locate the opportunity that you are looking for. So let's say for this video, we're looking for opportunities that has zero value. So you simply click the opportunity value in here and you select the criteria. Let's say is empty, then click apply. After applying that, as you can see in here, the whole page reload as it search for the opportunity that match the following criterias, and it shows those opportunities that has no value. And that's about it. That's how to use filters in GoHighLevel. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.